Hello everyone. Now today we are going to study some hard problem depend on the linear equations in one variable. Today we are going to see the exercise 14b. In this exercise we will see some difficult level problems. So please see this video till the end. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Education Tech TVR. Now see, first problem we are taking the question number 11. In question number 11 we have to given that a rectangle's length is given 5 cm less than twice its width. That means we have to not given the length, we have not given its width, but it's related to the width. So that's why we will consider let width of rectangle is equal to x. We have considered width will be the x, and therefore length is equal to which is given 5 less than twice. That means twice means 2x and 5 less, so minus by 5. So which is given 3 by 5 and width is increased by 2 cm. The perimeter of the resulting rectangle will be 74. Okay. So this is the original length. First one is the original length. We can consider it as the original length. And if new length, then new length also we have to find. How new length we have to find? If new length will be the, or it, see now, we have to get understood the question. A rectangle's length is 5 cm less than its twice. So width we have considered x. Original length we have taken it as a 2x minus 5. Then if the length is decreased by 5, that means this should be decreased by 5. So new length is equal to 2x minus 5 minus 5. It is decreased by 5. So it will be the 2x minus 8 plus and give the bigger number 9. So minus 10. So this is the new length. Okay. Then perimeter is, resulting perimeter will be 24 cm. Okay. The resulting perimeter will be the 24 cm. Therefore, width of the rectangle, width is also increased. Width is increased by 2 cm. Okay. New width. These all the things which we have taken here, these are given in the question only. I have pick up these all the things from the questions. Okay, I have not solved here anything. So new width is equal to, this is increased by 2. So x plus 2. This is the new width. Therefore, according to question, what is given? New perimeter is equal to, so new perimeter is equal to, which is given 74 cm. We know the formula for the perimeter. 2 into bracket L plus B is equal to 74 cm. Now we can put here the L and B. So this is the new L and this is the new B. So this is the L and this is the B. Okay, for your understanding I have written here B and L. Okay, this is not a part of the question. Now see here, I am putting the value here, 2 into bracket. L will be the 2x minus 10 plus B will be the x plus 2. See, this is L and this is B is equal to 74 centimeters. Now here we will do the subtraction, addition, subtraction, whatever. Okay, so 2x plus x. 2x plus x will be the 2 into bracket, which will be the 3x. 2x plus x, which will be the 3x. Minus 10 and plus 2, which will be the minus 8. Minus 10 and plus 2, which will be the minus 8, is equal to 74. Okay, then see, here we will do the some calculation. This is the 2 into 3, 6x. 2 into 8, 16 is equal to 74. Now send this 16 to the next side. So it will become, it is minus here, so when it will go to the next side, so it will become plus. Therefore, 6x is equal to 74 plus 16. 74 plus 16, we have to take here the addition. So 6x is equal to, how much is the addition?
90.
90 will be the addition. Then send this 6 to this side, it is multiplied here. So when it will go to the next side, so it will become divide. So 90 upon 6. 90 upon 6 when it is divided by 6. So how many 6 are 90? You have to do the calculation.
6 will be 6.
Huh? 15 6 are how much? 15 6 are
90.
90. So the answer will be the 15. Therefore, x is equal to how much?
15.
15. Okay. We have got the x. Therefore, that means we got the original width we have find out. What we have find out here? Original width we have find out. See, x means original width of the rectangle. Okay. That one, first one is which will we have find out the original width. Then what thing we have to find here? Find the length and the width of the original rectangle. Here we have find out the width. Then we have to find out the original length. Now original length is equal to original length. How much taken we have the original length? That will be the 2x minus 5, which is equal to 2x minus 5. Put the values here. 2 into 15 minus 5. 2 into 15, 30. 30 minus 5, answer will be the 25. So this is your original length. So have you got the answer? Whenever you have to write the answer, you can pause the video and you can write the answer. Okay. Now if you have not understood the question, what part you have not understood, you can see the video in the repeat mode. Okay. After that we will see the next question. See here, the next question is given. Question number 13 we will see now. Now see question number 13. A man's age is 3 times that of his son. A man's age is 3 times that of his son, and in 12 years he will be the twice as old as his son would be. Okay. So what their present age is? What their present age is? So we will consider present age of the son. 13. Present age. Present age of son we will consider. Present age of son we will consider, which will be the x. Therefore, his father's age or parent's age. Parent age. What is the parent age? Parent present age. Parent's present age will be the 3 times, which is given in the question. 3 times of the son. 3 times of son is 3 into x. So 3x. Okay, you got the answer? Now, in 12 years. In 12 years, or you can write after 12 years. In 12 years, after 12 years, whatever you can write. In 12 years. In 12 years, the age will increase or decrease? Yes, 100% it will increase. So, son's age. Son's age will be how much? X plus 12. X plus 12 after 12 years. Then parent age. Parent age will be also this plus 3x plus 12. So we got their ages after 12 years. Okay. Now according to the question or by the question, by the condition. What condition is given in the question? A man's age is 3 times that of his son's age, and in 12 years he will be the twice age old as his son would be. Okay, that means according to the question we can write that 3x plus 12 is equal to x plus 12 is equal to 2 into twice. It is given twice. Okay, twice old as his son. Twice age as his sun. Okay, that means these both are equal. It is given in question. So here first we have to do this calculation. We will solve the bracket. So 3x plus 12 equal to 2x 24. 2 into x 2x, 2 into 12 24. Now we will send this x term to the one side and constant term to the another side. So 3x minus 2x equal to 24 minus 12. So how much is this subtraction? X. X is equal to 12. That means we got the age of sun's age. Sun's present age. Sun's present age is equal to. How much we got? X is equal to 12 years. 12 years. And parent present age. Parent present age. Present age. Parent present age is 3 into x. 3 into x, that means 3 into 12, which will be how much? 36 years. So we got both the ages. Have got understood? So here we have find out the age of son also and age of parent also. Okay, after that we will see the next question. Next question is also depend on the same topic, which is the word problem. See now, a man, question 15. A man completed a trip of 136 kilometer in 8 hours. A man completed a trip of 136 kilometer in 8 hours. Some part of a trip was covered at 15 km per hour and the remaining at 18 km per hour. So find the part of the trip covered in 18 km per hour. Okay. So here total distance first we have to write. Total distance how much? Total distance is given in the question. How much? 136 km. Keep it in mind whenever you are solving the word problem. Near about the 80% part is given in the question. Always it is given in the question. But you must have to understand the question. Whenever you have to understand the question, then you must have to present it properly. Present it, make the equation, and solve that equation. So you will get the answer. So total distance is given 136 km. Okay. Then part of a trip. So after that we will take one part. We will take the x. Okay. Part of trip covered at 18 km suppose. 18 km per hour is equal to x. Is equal to x kilometer. That means some part is covered by 18 km per hour and some part is covered by 15 km. How much is given in question? 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour. So these two speeds you have to given. So out of that two speeds, one we will cover, one we will take the x. Anyone you can take. I have taken 18 km per hour, which I have taken by the x. We can take the 15 km also. Then also we will get the same answer. Now see. So distance covered. The remaining distance we will take the 136 minus x. Distance covered by 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour is equal to 136 minus x. 136 minus x. This distance by 18 km per hour and this distance by 15 km per hour. Okay. Now after that we will make the equation. Okay. So time taken to man to cover the x kilometer. Time taken by man to cover x kilometer distance. Okay, x kilometer distance. There is a formula to find the distance. To find the time. Here we are finding the time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon
Speed.
speed. So time we have to given. So which will be the distance is equal to this distance x kilometer, this distance which will be the x upon 18, x upon 18 hours. Time taken by man to cover x kilometer distance, which is equal to distance upon time. Distance is x kilometer and speed is distance is the x kilometer and speed is how much? 18 kilometer. So x upon 18. So this much. So we don't have the value, so I have written as it is. Okay. Then time taken by man. Time. This is for the first one. Then now we will find for the second one. Both time we will find. Time taken by man to cover, how much is the second distance? 136 minus x kilometer distance. X kilometer distance. Okay, here also same formula, distance upon speed. Distance will be the 136 minus x upon, how much is the speed here? 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour. So this much time it will require. Okay. Now after that we will see the next part in this side. See now. Yes.
15 minutes.
So and total time is given. Total time is given. It required the 88 hours, which is given in the question. Okay. Total time how much required? So total time to cover 136 km is equal to 8 hours. This thing is given in the question. This is already given in a question. So that means addition of these two, this and this, it will be the 8 hours. Therefore x upon 18 plus 136 minus x upon 15 is equal to 8. This is our equation. Okay, so we got the equation here. But see 18 and 15. Now I already told you, you must have to frame the equation properly. Once you have framed the equation, then you can solve it. It is easy to solve the problem. Now 18 and 15 and here at the denominator suppose there is a 1. So LCM of 18, 15 and 1 is 90. Because 90 is divided by 18 and 15 both. Therefore, we will multiply by 90. X upon 18 into 90 plus 136 minus x upon 15 into 90. Please pay attention, don't talk, no one will talk. Is equal to 8 multiplied by 90. So 18 1 the 5, 15 1 the 6 the. Okay, here is the bracket suppose. Now x into 5, 5x. 6 into 136. 6 into 136. How much? 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 3 carry. 6 3 are 18. 18 plus 3 21. Okay. Plus 2, then 2 carry. 6 1 are 6. 6 plus that 2 8. Okay. Minus 6 into x 6x. Then 90 into 8. 800. 8 9 are 72. Correct?
Yes, sir.
8 9 are 72. Then 5x minus 6x equal to 720 minus 816. So here minus x equal to 816 minus 720. 816 minus 720. Okay. So 6 will be here. Here not possible. So 11 will be there. 11 minus 2 9. 7 minus 7 0. So 90 minus 96. Minus minus get cancelled. So x is equal to 96. X is equal to 96. So how much distance is covered? 96 kilometer. This distance is covered. And x means what is the x? Part of trip covered at 18 km per hour. That only we have to find out, and that thing we have to find out. That means x value we have to find out here. Okay, and that value we have to find out. How much is that value? That value will be the how much? 96 km. Okay, so you got the answer. If you have not understood the answer, you can see the video in the repeat mode. Whenever you have to write the answer, you can pause the video and then you can write the answer.